pig?
Yeah.
He's just eating the pig?
Maybe, yeah, maybe they're eating.
He is, he's just properly troughing that pig. So they've got like a little minor bird on a bit of string. They're sort of baiting it.
Anak sing tane master ETC Upakara itu mandel mengejar di piring baler petulangan sini ETC tane master Tirta pedun layang tidak ada piring Kabupaten Banten Pak Ben sarang Pak Guru Yatnya mangga saya yang ini jadi pedun layon ini petulangan.
Silakan lupa nak beli. Barang tu semua.
So what did you think about him eating the live bird, babe?
Yeah, well I mean it's obviously some sort of tradition and he's representing a god. And that's, yeah, is the bird actually dead now?
It's still twitching.
Okay.
He's eating his gut.
Right, actually
Twitching on the floor there.
Right, he's properly...
Yeah, he just grabbed it and spit into it. It was alive when he got it.
You know, that's what we've come to Bali to...
See people eating bird guts. Nice.
I know that he's washing his face now, so he's obviously finished being a god. I wonder which god that was.
The god of eating birds? Yeah, yeah, you know, he's that creature from...
Oh, the green death one that comes from the underworld.
No, you know that film the girls like to watch?
Oh! Spirited Away?
No, you know the guy that eats birds and the killer bad ogre turns into a bird at the end and he munches him. What's that called? The one where they have a ring around their house.
Oh,
Anyway, he's like the guy from the end of that eats birds.